Hello, it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I'm going to share with you a really quick method to roast some veggies. So today I'm going to roast some carrots, onions, sweet potato in the olive oil, a little bit of salt, add in some flavor with nutmeg and cinnamon, and at the same time I'm going to make a pot of quinoa with quinoa, veggie stock, and then I'm going to enjoy the dish with some nuts, seeds, and goji berries. Hello, it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I'm happy to share with you today's veggie bowl. I quick roasted some carrots, sweet potatoes, and onions, made a batch of quinoa, paired the dish with nuts and seeds and some goji berries, and I'm enjoying a really delicious, simple to make meal. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition.